Guys, in this video we're going to take a look at the camera on the Samsung Galaxy S1 versus the S10 and S24 Ultra and see which one is better. We're just going to take some photos. So here on my Galaxy S1 I need to go into applications and then we can start the camera app. Now I cannot take the photos in portrait mode, so I'm going to turn around and take the photos. So here I'm going to point at this flower pot, and then we're going to tap on the shoot button. Alright, so it made that shutter sound. I can tap on the corner here to open up a picture, and here I can view the photos. Now I can zoom in. You can see I can zoom in. The detail isn't that great, but I can view the pictures on my small screen right here. So in here I've got the features that I can share, set as, or I can delete the pictures. Okay, looking at the details of the picture, this picture is 1.4 megabyte. So that's the picture right there. Next we're going to test it out on the Galaxy S10. So here I'll open up the camera and I'll take a photo. On the S10 I can even zoom it right in. And let's just take it around this size right here. So I tap on the shoot button. And here is the picture. I can zoom right in and view the details on the S10. This is the S10 Plus. So you can see here the difference between the two. Next we're going to try it on the S24 Ultra. So here I'll open up the camera app. I'll zoom it right out a little bit. And then we tap on the shoot button here. Alright, so let's zoom in and look at the details of the pictures. You can see I can zoom right in into the leaf here and view the actual details of the leaf. On my original S1, if I zoom right in, I cannot zoom in any further and it doesn't have as much details as the S24 Ultra. And for the S10 Plus, I can zoom in, but it doesn't seem to be very bright. I can view the details on the leaf as well, but not as much details as the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So you can see that over time the camera quality has improved dramatically, providing you better pictures when taking a photo. So let's take another one. Here I can tap on the camera and tap on shoot. And it also takes more times to capture the image, whereas on the S24 Ultra it is fairly quick. I can just tap on the shoot button and that allows me to capture the picture straight away. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.